think there's some interesting developments with multimodal models that do like whole things end to end. And I think that's super interesting. In reality, for a lot of these kind of complex multimodal applications, there's almost always going to need to be some kind of duct tape involved. And I think what we find when these models hit the real world, you can't just ship a big model as the product. There's always going to be like some duct tape and some heuristics and some filters and some massaging of the output to make it behave how you want. So, you know, however it pans out with how these models end up and how they behave, there's always going to be a lot of duct tape and heuristic involved in building products.
Yeah, are you seeing that as a pattern? Like 100%. When it comes to building products, everyone's trying to, like, you know, I say fine tune, which is probably not the right word, but put that duct tape in place, get it to something that's like production quality. Yeah,
we see this both in our customers, but also a lot of the people on our team have built real AI product. And the sort of intuition for understanding this is it's very easy to make a really good prototype. And it's very easy to make something that looks really cool. But that is, to some extent, it's like most products, but to even more extreme extent, I think, that is 10% of the work. The remaining 90% is getting it actually working in production as a sort of reliable, robust product.